Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In today's tutorial, I will show you step by step how to contact Bybit support if you ever face login issues, trading problems, or just need help with your account. First of all, open the Bybit app or website and log into your account with your email, phone, or wallet. Once you're logged in, go ahead and tap on the profile icon at the top left corner from the home screen. Once you open up your profile, click on the gear button at the top right. This will take you to User Center. Tap on the General tab and then click on Help Center. Bybit has a FAQ library where you can find answers to most issues like deposits, withdrawals, or KYC verification. Check there first, it may solve your problem quickly. If you need personal assistance, then you'll need to go ahead and get one step back by tapping the back arrow button at the top left and then click on Contact Support. Here you can go ahead and select your issues from the drop-down, choose one of the categories related to your problem, and then go ahead and select other sub-options. You can then kindly provide the details in the text boxes, including your account user ID, email address, event name and link, and description of the issue. If you've got any attachments you can upload, you can tap on the upload button at the bottom and upload a screenshot or video recording of the issue. Finally, click on Submit a Case at the bottom, and Bybit will usually reply to your ticket via email. Make sure to check your inbox and spam folder for updates. And that's it. That's how you can easily contact Bybit support in just a few steps. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.